I'm Kat.
I'm Marie.
And we are the Femme Totale.
So I know you might be wondering, who are these people and why are they all in a video space? But my name is Marie Deveaux. I'm a small business and life coach. And Kat over here.
I am a twofold business. One is Luxe LeBlanc, where I do wardrobe styling and personal shopping. So those of you who want to shoppity shop, hit me up. And the other aspect of it, I have Platine Management, which I just started this year, excitingly enough, because I didn't have enough to do, right? No, but seriously, I do social media management for your company or just personally, and I also manage influencers. So if you have a following but you have no idea how to negotiate with the brands, that's why I'm here.
Mm-hmm. And together we created the Femme Totale.
Yes.
Now the Femme Totale is a women of color networking group. It is for women who are wearing a ton of different hats, right? Maybe you're a business owner, or you work in corporate, or you're a mom, or you're a wife, or you're a sister, or you're a caregiver. Whatever it is, all of those things, that is what this network is for women of color to come together in a safe space and learn together, grow together, network, and support each other more and more.
Right, and speaking of growth, what we do is we cater events to your growth. So the very first one that we had was at the top of the year. We did a vision board party in 2018, planning out your 2018. Yep. But now 2019 is right around the corner.
It's so close.
So we want to get a head start. And we're hosting our next one, which has been highly anticipated and requested. It's very limited seats, only about 24, 25 max.
Yep.
Because we want you to have that intense experience where it's focused on you and you focus on yourself. We focus on you as well. And we help you develop your plans for 2019.
That's right. So this next event, the Vision Board Workshop and Party, is going to be December 1st.
2018.
It's an all-day event. We're in the space from 10 to 3, and there is so much happening in this event. If you came to the one in January, you know we had an awesome time. Definitely check the testimonials about that, because it was everything. It was everything. And this event, I think, is going to be even more so.
Yeah, because we've actually incorporated mental health this time. So our sponsors at the
Love
and Kindness Wellness Services, they will also be incorporating some mindful exercises, and they're going to do one-on-one consultations. So we all will actually be doing one-on-one consultations, which you'll get to choose from one out of the 3. And you either can meet with me to learn more about how I can help you and get a consult. You can link up with Marie, or you can mind your mental health.
Yeah. Which is awesome. I think, especially in the Black community, we don't take care of ourselves when it comes to mental health.
Yeah.
And really, this party is all about that. It's really about getting your mind right for the new year.
Right.
So you can expect mindfulness exercises, journaling exercises, structured networking with other like-minded women, which is awesome.
That was so much fun last year.
And don't bring your kids, okay? This is time just for you, just for you.
Can I bring mine though?
Yeah, well, Kat's got like one in her like situation. I don't know if you can see the baby bump. So if you're pregnant, bring that. But otherwise, this is really a time for you to be the amazing adult woman that you are. And so we're really looking forward to sharing with you in that space. But yeah, all of the materials you need for your vision board are, of course, included. A lot of women of color-centered magazines, which is fantastic. We're going to have some refreshments. You'll have the consults. And yeah, we're just getting ready to kick off 2019 right.
So be there, okay? Grab your seat. We'll see you there.
Yay.
Later.
Bye.